So I'm going to call this 524 and 4. These don't have an oil hole in them, so I drilled them all. 236 and 9. 30 over. Look who came over here to get petted. Hey, I got some 340 rods here. I put brand new ARP bolts in them. I resized them. They got a thou to go. And I have to fit the pins. And I'm going to be putting them on these pistons. Keith Black Hyper Eutectic. And then they're going to be going in this block. 30 over. The reason I didn't finish the big ends or the pins, they're going to get hot because I'm going to balance them. But before I start here, I think I better change out this pad. It's got a pretty bad spot in it. Hey, happy Sunday. How you doing? Let me get that disc changed, and then I'll get these rods balanced. Okay, I got that changed up. So let me start weighing these rods. Okay, so the big end of the rod goes on here. So we're not going to spin this. The customer doesn't want to do a full balance, but I got to balance these rods because they're a mismatched set. Get that. So I'm going to call this 524 and 4. $517 and 3. Wow, 504 and 9. Well, I sure didn't like seeing that light rod. 25 and 9. I'm sure not very happy about that light rod. 24 and 5. $521 and 3. $524 and 1. $520 and 8. Okay, this group of 5 isn't so bad, and that's not so bad, and this is tolerable. But this rod, I got to take like 20 grams off the rest of them. And I should have, so when I got this set of rods in, one of them had an oddball set of bolts in them. And that's Mr. Lightweight over there. I'm going to source another rod, and I'm going to have to get another bushing, put a bushing in it. I drilled them, though they weren't drilled. I'll have to push those bolts out, put it in that rod, and then resize that rod. Here's what I'm talking about on the rod. These don't have an oil hole in them, so I drilled them all. And of course I put the bushing in. I haven't rolled them or fit them yet. Okay, so just for kicks, let's see what the small ends of all these rods weigh. 240 and 6. That was our light rod, by the way. $236 and 9. $244 and 2. $39 and 3. $242. $240 and 9. $238 and 4. Last one. $239 and 2. All right, so these are all the weights of the little end of the rod. And funny thing is, our lightweight one's right here in the middle of the whole mess. Now this weight is not accurate because if you remove a bunch of weight from this end, if I was to remove that 20 grams, it would change the weight of the small end slightly. But all in all, if they were like this on the small ends, that could be acceptable. Look who came over here to get petted. Hey, Bear. This is my boy Bear, if you guys are new here. He's my boy. Yes, he is. He's 4-year-old blue heeler. Look at here, he even uppied. You're falling. What a good boy. There you go. I should have known better. I should have checked those rods before I did all that work to them. So I'll get a rod sourced, and we'll have to continue on with this later. In the meantime, hey, you guys come back and see me again, all right? And be nice to each other. Bye.